Alright, let's start this video on dividing in a given ratio. But first, let me tell you a quick joke to warm things up. Why did the fraction break up with the decimal? Because it couldn't deal with all the points. Haha! Alright, let's dive in. Today we're talking about dividing in a given ratio. Imagine splitting a pizza between friends or sharing costs with your flatmates. Ratios are really handy in making sure everything's fair and proportional. So, let's get into the details. Dividing in a given ratio means we're splitting or sharing a quantity according to a specific ratio. Ratios help maintain proportionality between different parts in all sorts of situations. We use this concept frequently in our daily lives, like dividing food, time, or even money. Now let's look at what dividing in a ratio really means. It's all about splitting a quantity into parts that match the numbers in the ratio. The steps are pretty straightforward. First, we add up the parts of the ratio. Next, we divide the total amount by that sum. Finally, we multiply each part of the ratio by this value to find each share. Alright, let's dive into an example. Imagine you have £180 to share between two friends, and you want to do it in the ratio 2:1. Here's what we do. Step 1, add the parts of the ratio, which is 2 plus 1, giving us 3. Next, divide the total amount by this sum, so £180 divided by 3 gives us £60. Now multiply each part of the ratio. The first friend's share is 2 times £60, which is £120, and the second friend's share is 1 times £60, which is £60. And that's how you get the split. Moving on to the next example, we're dividing 1,000 grams of ingredients in the ratio 3:1. We start by adding the parts of the ratio 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 6. Then we divide the total amount 1,000 grams by 6, which is around 166.67 grams per part. Now multiply each part. So the first part gets 3 times 166.67, giving us approximately 500 grams. The second part is 2 times 66.67, which is about 333 grams. And the third part is 1 times 166.67, so around 167 grams. Finally, here's one more scenario. We're splitting a bill of £240 between 3 flatmates in the ratio 3:4. Again, start by adding the ratio parts, 3 plus 3 plus 4, which is 10. Divide the total amount by 10, so £240 divided by 10 equals £24 per part. Now multiply each part to find each flatmate's share. The first and second flatmates each get 3 times £24, which is £72. The third flatmate, with 4 parts, gets 4 times £24, which is £96. And just like that, everyone pays their fair share. So in summary, dividing in a ratio helps maintain proportionality between quantities. It's a concept that has so many practical uses, from sharing money to dividing resources. Mastering it not only makes life fairer, but also builds your problem-solving skills, helping you make logical decisions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with more content. And as always, keep practicing and stay curious. See you next time.